It was seriously such a rush. I completed my paper and then the most awaited moment was there. Hello everyone, my name is Sneha Chandra and welcome back to my YouTube channel. हाँ मतलब वेलकम बैक ही हुआ. लिटरली आई फील लाइक आफ्टर 5 years आई एम डूइंग दिस थिंग एंड मुझे बिल्कुल भी आइडिया नहीं है कि हाउ आई यूज टू डू दिस थिंग. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, इससे पहले भी जब मैंने वीडियोस बनाए थे यूट्यूब के लिए आई नेवर स्क्रिप्टेड एनीथिंग. एंड हाँ मतलब nowadays I've seen so many reels on that ki how you should make the hook and everything like that. It still goes above my head, but no worries. I'll try to make sure that you guys enjoy the video, and the main important point that I'm making this video for myself, for my memories and for my fun. So hope you guys will enjoy this video and get something out of it. Procrastination, like seriously. 28th April 2025. That is, no, forget it. That is a bad script.
2 hours later.
Today is 28th April 2026, and it hence proves that I'm a very great procrastinator. Okay, coming back to the storyline, what exactly happened? So exactly एक साल पहले, that was 28th of April 2025, I had my paper of compiler construction. It was a really bad paper. The thing is कि paper बुरा नहीं था, but वो subject ही बुरा था. कुछ तो बहुत weird था उस subject के बारे में. I'm happy it got over. And the best part was not that the paper got over. The best part was that I was going for my study abroad program to Singapore. That day was such an exciting day. So in the morning, as soon as I got up, I went for the exam. 10 से 1 बजे तक एग्जाम था हमारा. एंड उसमें मैंने पेपर जितना अच्छे से मैं भर के लिख सकती थी, जितना कुछ आता था उस पूरे सेमेस्टर में जितना कुछ पढ़ा था सब लिख डाला. ओके 1 बजे हुआ, कैंपस से बाहर निकले. आई पैक्ड माई स्टफ. थैंक्स टू वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड, ही वॉज देयर टू हेल्प मी आउट. एंड सारा लगेज लेके, बिकॉज आई हैड अराउंड 30 kgs का लगेज, 2 बैग्स, एक बैकपैक विद ऑल माई लैपटॉप एंड एवरीथिंग. सो ऑल्सो because I was traveling to Singapore, I had to carry a lot of food items as well. तो मेरा बैग का वेट तो अच्छा खासा बढ़ गया था. ठीक है, so I packed everything and we left. It was around 2:30ish when we left, and उसके बाद we reached the airport, that was T3 International Airport. And वहाँ पे जैसे हम पहुँचे, hello guys, Neil is here with me, and अभी हम T3 पे हैं. मेरे बाल खराब हो गए थोड़े थोड़े. एंड या फाइनली, हाँ सो फाइनली फर्स्ट सोलो ट्रिप. एंड बेसिकली मैं स्टूडेंट एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम के लिए जा रही हूँ फ्रॉम एमआईटी टू एमआईटी सिंगापुर. सो या इट्स गोना बी फन. एंड थैंक्स टू नील फॉर हेल्पिंग मी टू कम टू एयरपोर्ट with all this luggage and everything. Also, thank you to Neil's mother. Very sweet of her. She gave me very nice food as well. So I'm very happy. See you guys. Neil, say bye. मतलब हमें हंसी आ रही है कि हम बहुत जल्दी पहुंच गए थे. My flight was literally at 8:55 PM. Okay, and we were there already at around 4 PM. Okay, and लाइक क्या किया जाए अब. तो कुछ डिस्कशन हुआ एंड वी लाइक कि ठीक है यार अंदर ही चल जाते हैं, क्या ही हो जाएगा. लगेज वगेज देके आई विल गो विद द माइग्रेशन एंड एवरीथिंग दैट हैपेंस फॉर द होल इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप. आई एंटर्ड द T3 and they told me that you know any of the flights, may be domestic or international, 4 घंटे पहले they don't take the luggage. So my flight was at 8:55. So I was kind of 1 hour before. Okay. So I was waiting, literally waiting at the airport in the luggage area itself. There's the outside one area. Just to leave my bag. But somehow, till the time, 1 hour, it was very quick. I was exploring and, you know, creating my itinerary of what I'll be doing in Singapore. And yeah, that's all. I'm very bad at creating video. Honestly speaking. Okay, never mind guys. But the whole point over here is what I did. So, before 28th of April, a lot of chaos happened. Thanks to my roommate Neha Di and Priya Di. They all helped me a lot. I also got my nails done during that time. That was the first time I got my nails done, and those were like the gel paints, and I got brown and pink color shades. Okay, I don't know why I chose the pink. To be honest, I wanted it to be cream color, like brown and creamish combination. But the person was like, "No, ma'am, go for the pink," and it was looking very pretty. My roommate was a lifesaver during that time. Yeah, because I had not told her. It was so funny. Okay, so what happened when I told my roommate? It was just like hardly 10 days before the trip. Okay, and I just went and I told her. I was packing my bag, to be honest, and I was keeping everything and then moving out and keeping everything again and then moving it out, and I was so confused. I'm very bad at packing, to be honest. ठीक है, तो मैं अपने रूममेट के पास गई, मैंने बोला, शी वॉज हैविंग द क्वेश्चन कि क्या करनी हूँ. मैंने बोला मैं पैकिंग कर रही हूँ जाने के लिए. then she didn't ask me, और मैंने उनको बताया कि एक्चुअली मैं ना थोड़ा सा स्टडी अब्रॉड प्रोग्राम के लिए सिंगापुर जाने का सोच रही हूँ, थोड़ी पैकिंग में मेरी हेल्प करो. क्योंकि इतने सारे कपड़े थे मेरे पास एंड आई वाज अनेबल टू डिसाइड कि मैं क्या लेके जाऊँ क्या नहीं लेके जाऊँ. ठीक है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट वाज नॉट जस्ट 1 day or 10 days trip. It was like 33 days I have to stay over there, and it was like a whole month at an unknown country alone, just going for the trip. And it was not alone exactly. Of course, college colleagues were there, and they were not friends, but I eventually made a lot of friends over there in that trip. And yeah, it was fun. 28th of April 2025, that day I boarded my flight finally for Singapore, and I took the Singapore Airlines. To be honest, I feel anyone going to Singapore should take the Singapore Airlines because that is worth an experience. In conclusion, Singapore Airlines is worth it. You should for sure take Singapore Airlines if you plan to go to Singapore. At least for the experience, guys. Come on, ठीक है. तो उस दिन तो 28 को ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं हुआ, बस एग्ज़ाम दिया, ख़त्म, दौड़ते भागते मैं एयरपोर्ट पहुंच गई T3, एंड आई वॉज टू अर्ली, बट ओके आई वॉज एक्सप्लोरिंग. मैं पूरा T3 पूरा ड्यूटी फ्री घूमा, सारी चीज़ें ब्राउज की, क्या है क्या नहीं है, कौन कौन से शॉप्स है. आई वॉज एक्सप्लोरिंग ऑल द स्टोर्स, खाना खाया. यस, थैंक्स टू नील की मम्मी, शी गेव अ वेरी टेस्टी बासंती पुलाव एंड सब्जी, दैट वॉज पनीर की सब्जी, and it was really very tasty. So it was a survival for me. I literally got the good food over there during that time. Honestly, मैंने सोचा था कि मैं उस खाने को सेव करके रखूँगी and I'll have it at night, okay. But मैं इतनी भूखी थी, I did not have lunch. मैं उसको एयरपोर्ट पे खा लिया, और वो भी ऐसे नहीं कि मैंने खा लिया जैसे एयरपोर्ट पे कि 6 बजे खाया होगा, 7 बजे खाया होगा. As soon as I entered airport, I was supposed to give up the luggage, but as I mentioned, luggage नहीं दे पा रहे थे क्योंकि I was 1 hour early from the time that they start taking the luggage. तो उस 1 hour के span में between 4 to 5, I literally ate off the whole thing. बकवास बहुत करती हूँ मैं ज़्यादा. Honestly, I have no experience of making YouTube video and vlogs, and मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था कि मैं vlog बनाऊँगी, okay. But I have a lot of content of that Singapore trip, and I feel like मेरे खुद के documentation के लिए, for my own sake, my own memories, I need to make this video. I mean, future self को बोलना भी तो है कि कितना बेकार वीडियो बनाती थी मैं. I mean, not that बेकार वीडियो. I mean, I'm sure उतना बुरा भी नहीं बनेगा, कुछ तो बन ही जाएगा अच्छा अच्छा. So see you guys in the next video, and thank you so much. Like, share, subscribe, comment. I'll be coming up with more videos telling about my Singapore experience, my itinerary, what I followed, what I visited, what all fun I did, how many friends I made and did throughout that 33 days span. It was so much fun, and stay tuned. Bye bye.